Hey, good people, how y'all doing today? Welcome or welcome back to DATFAMILY5. Today we will be taking down Ezekia's loft bed and giving her a big girl's bed, okay? She is getting a queen size bed that we got from Ikea for $137. And yes, so we're excited to help her become a big girl and sleep in her own comfortable big bed rather than trying to come into our bed. Let me go ahead and introduce myself, because after this I will not be talking no more to the end of the video, so y'all can enjoy the footage and the content and all the wonderful music. My name is Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. We are a family of 5. And on this channel you will get cleaning motivation, lifestyle, anything that a family does. I will try my best to give you all that type of motivation. So like I said, today we are doing a little makeover for Ezekia's room. So enjoy the video, and I'm filming with my new phone, so there might be some things looking weird like this little moment right here. So yeah, so just enjoy the rest of the music, and I'll be back with y'all later on. Y'all stay tuned.
It's a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy. Under my tattoos, there's a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, yeah. There's a remedy, yeah. Oh no, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. My heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no, we're running out of space between good and bad, running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I, you and I, you and I. might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Come get it. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you. Want you all night, 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 want you all night.
So real quick, while her bed is blowing up, we are looking for a mattress that is good for her. But since we got this air mattress that's a queen size, we're gonna go ahead and use that. Okay. So once the air mattress blows up, we're gonna go ahead and give you the last view of me making her bed, and then we're gonna end this segment after that.
All night long. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Watch all night, watch all night, watch all night, watch all night, watch all night. you all night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
That one or the other one right behind your bed?
What?
This stuff will get taken care of later on. But yeah.
Later on?
Can I get you now to eat?
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not my birthday yet.
Not if I punch it.
Okay, so just to end this video, so we are the family that loves life and having fun and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life
Move your feet
abundantly
off my-
with God's love. Thank you for spending your time with us because time is precious, and we will see y'all in two. Peace out, y'all. Say bye. Why is he so rude, y'all? Bye, y'all. Mwah.
Lo que yo siento por ti, lo que tú sientes por mí. Lo que quieres, que te quede en la casa como FedEx.